So, hindi tayo nakapag-meet last week, which is the orientation week, most likely. But hindi naman ako nag-alala kasi you already know kung paano tayo sa class natin. But, yeah, kamusta naman kayo? Naghihintay ako kung may magre-reklamo sa grade nila, pero parang wala naman ata ako narinig sa B. I think okay naman. Okay. So now, ako pa din yung prof no, pero sa operating systems na. And mamaya idadaanan na lang natin kung ano yung kung saan iikot yung ating topic. And for my class rules, same lang naman. So, yung attendance natin, meron tayo sa simula at sa huli. And then yung approach natin sa every quizzes, activity attendance, ay ganun pa din. And sa excuses, same pa din, provide an evidence and a proof to validate your absence. And another thing, wala naman na. So, ayun lang. So, I think we don't need to introduce ourselves now. So, may bago ba dito from na hindi ko naging student previous semester. Wala naman. Okay. So, magre-lecture pa din tayo kasi para hindi naman tayo mahuli. Okay? Simulan na natin ngayon. Wait lang. Ay, attendance pala muna. Okay. Please say present if you're here. Agbulos. Akinta. Arnaiz.
Present.
Okay. Avenue.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Avila.
Present po, ma'am.
Baredo.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Botona. Vargas.
Present po.
Okay. Bunyol.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. De Castro.
Present po.
Okay. Juliavin. Estrada. Fuentes.
Present po.
Tahuman. Gaurana.
Present po.
Okay. Herodias. Juliana. Hernandez. Uwet.
Ma'am, present po. Uwet.
Okay. Hernandez. Okay. Lorico. Mabalatan. Malate.
Present po, ma'am.
Malto.
Present po.
Mangoba. Enrique.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Mapanaw.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Marmeto. Mendoza. Flores.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Napili. Navarro. Nerbiol.
Present po.
Okay. Obina. Ocale. Oliveros. Parcon. Montepedra. Okay. Ilaw.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Quezana.
Present po.
Okay. Raet.
Present po.
Okay. Ramirez. Herbadulia. Raquillas.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Ripaldi. Sakdalan.
Present.
Okay. Salgado. Santiago. Sorcilia.
Present po.
Okay. Sarmiento.
Present po.
Okay. Silvestre. Okay. Santa Ana.
Present po.
Okay. Torres.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. And Villardo. Yeah. Meron ba akong tinatawag?
Rebadulia po, present po.
Okay.
Bodos po, present, ma'am.
Alcoholos. Sige. Okay na, meron pa. Juliana. Yes po, Hernandez. Okay na, Hernandez. Okay na, Juliana. Meron pa? Attendance tayo ulit later after our discussion. So, I believe our discussion will be like less than an hour. Hindi naman tayo magmamadali. Hindi naman tayo magmamadali. Hindi naman tayo magmamatagal. So, katulad pa rin dati, straight to the point lang ako if you have question or if you have suggestion, feel free to do that. Right. Naisip ko may nakalimutan pa ako before we start. I think wala na. Okay, let's start. Okay. I believe you can already see my screen. Dali lang. Alright. Okay. First question, ano yung usually na device na ginagamit natin daily? Pwede kayong mag-chat. Yes, PC, cellphone, correct? Ano pa ba? Nana? We have smartphones, yes, laptops. We have smart TVs. We have gaming consoles. Even yung mga ATMs for banking. Yan, tablets. Correct. Thank you all. Sa tingin nyo, paano siya, or how do these devices work to manage your tasks and files? Well, ang answer nasa harap natin, which is yung operating system. So, ito yung software na responsible for coordinating the hardware and software to perform tasks. Let's know what's the meaning of or definition of operating system. Okay, may ba? May ba? Wait. Yan, sorry. Meron kasing construction sa tabing bahay. Anyway, I'll read this one. So, what is an operating system? So, it's an OS, or an operating system, is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides services to application. It serves as an interface between users and the computer. So, yung OS is the bridge between users and hardware. No? Parang middleman siya. So, it allows software to communicate with the computer's physical components. Ano nga bang importance ng OS? So, there's a lot of things, or a lot of pointers na kung bakit importante ang OS, but we will discuss it later on. But we're going to read these two major importance of the OS. So it manages hardware resources and provides an environment for application execution. Okay, yung hardware resources like CPU, memory, storage, and peripherals, and something like that. Yeah. So it also runs programs like yung web browsers, ayan, word processors, games, and many more. Okay. So, ang example ng mga OS, which is yung mga kilala talaga natin, is yung Windows, yung mostly ginagamit for personal computers and business. Ang Mac OS for Apple's operating system, yung mga Mac computers. And then Linux, yun. So open source OS siya. Ginagamit sa server, security systems, cloud computing. And of course, we have Android and iOS na ginagamit natin sa smartphones and tablets. So, yeah. Let's proceed. So, operating system software, core functions. Ayan. Kung kanina nabanggit natin yung importance, we're going to, or madadaanan na natin yung core functions niya, which is yung mga importance din ng OS. Okay? Okay. Number 1, we have here main memory management. So, controls the computer's RAM and ensures efficient memory allocation. Wait lang ha. So, ang role niya is to allocate space to process, ayan, nag-allocate siya ng space to processes and ensuring efficiency. Okay? So, for example, nag-run ka ng multiple application like web browser and music player. si operating system ang ginagawa niya, hindi niya, minimake sure niya, pinaprevent niya to those, para yung mga application na yun ay hindi mag-crash dahil sa memory overload. So, yan, ina-manage niya yun. So, nagpo-provide siya ng nagpo-provide siya ng memory into blocks, tapos dun niya nilo-load kapag kailangan, or kung ano man yung kailangan ng memory. Okay, we have processor management. It schedules, processes, and allocates CPU time. Yes. The concept of this is yun sa pag nagmo-multitask tayo. So, nagra-run siya ng multiple processes at once. Nagma-manage din, ito din, ang isang concept din nito is yung CPU scheduling. So, dinidetermine niya yung order of process execution. Like, for example, you are watching a video habang nagde-download ka ng file in the background. Okay? So, we have device management. Manages input or output devices like keyboards, printers, and USB drives. So, ang concept naman ito is, it's like a device driver. So, ito yung software na nag-enable to communicate between the OS and the hardware. So, concept din niya yung plug and play, which automatically detects new devices. For example, you are plugging a flash drive or a USB drive, and nare-recognize agad yun ng device instantly. Next, we have file management. Organizes, stores, and retrieves files on storage devices. So, ang concept nito is, it's like a file system, it's like a file system na nagde-define kung paano mag-store or ma-access yung mga files. And we have, for example, creating folders for documents, images, videos, yan. So, mag-organize ka ng mga files. We have user interface, enables users to interact with the system. May types yan, yung CLI at saka yung GUI or GUI. Yung CLI, which is command line interface, requirement niya is yung text-based commands. Ginagamit to sa katulad sa mga Linux, ginagamit to sa Linux terminal. And then, yung isa yung GUI, yung graphical user interface. Gumagamit ng icons, buttons, windows. Typically, nakikita or nagagamit siya ng Windows tsaka Mac OS. Okay. We have cooperation issues. Ito naman, sorry. Ayun, ito naman, it's yung function, hindi siya parang negative, but ang sinasabi lang dito, it prevents deadlocks and manages concurrency. Yung deadlock, ang ibig sabihin niyan, it's a situation where two or more processes are stuck. So, dahil stuck sila, you are unable to proceed because nag-aantayan yung processes na yun. So, ayun, pine-prevent yun ni OS. And, it occurs when multiple processes wait indefinitely for resources. Ayan. And yung concurrency naman, ang ibig sabihin, there are two or more events or circumstances na nangyayari at the same time. Okay, so, Ang ginagawa ni OS, minamanage niya yung multiple process na yun without conflicts. Okay. And lastly, we have cloud computing. Cloud computing is yung function na to. It's a modern operating system, modern operating systems integrate with cloud platforms for storage and computing resources. So, example niyan yung Google Drive. So, ayun yung mga cloud-based OS, like yung Chrome OS, na nag-a-allow sa applications na mag-run via internet. So, ayun na, example yung Google Drive, na nag-store ng files instead dun sa local storage. Okay. Next is, we have here types of operating system. So we have batch operating system. We have time-sharing OS, distributed OS, network OS, real-time OS, and mobile OS. So suit yourself in reading the description examples in these cases. But just have an example. So sa batch OS, it usually used in banks for processing transactions overnight. And for time-sharing operating system, example is, it is usually used in universities kapag nag-log in yung mga students sa same system at once. Parang real-time din siya, no? But it's called time-sharing pala. Distributed operating system, it is used in cloud services like Google Drive, kung saan nag-store tayo ng data across many servers. And next we have network OS, our network operating system. It is typically used in offices where employees shared files and printers. Okay. And we have real-time OS. It is usually used in medical devices, airplanes, and traffic control systems. And lastly is yung mobile OS, which is yung Android and iOS, to power smartphones and tablets. Ayun lang. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Any question? So that will cover our topic. Oh, so we're less than ano pa nga eh. 30 minutes. So, ayun, that will cover our week 1 and 2. If there's no question, wala naman ako activity sa ngayon. So, maybe next meeting after our second discussion, baka pa-quiz ako. Isang nakakadalang experience sa akin na isa lang napaquiz ko sa inyo yung finals last semester kasi maling-mali. Wala akong mahugot na grade kaya ang ginawa ko lahat ng kasi required is quiz 1 to 3. So, ang ginawa ko yung scores niyo ng quiz 1, yun yung ginamit ko for all the quizzes kasi same lang din naman sa average. Anyway, okay. Lesson learned. If there's no question, attendance na ulit ako. Please say present. Agbulos.
Present po.
Okay. Akinta. Arnaiz.
Present po.
Okay. Avenue.
Present po.
Okay. Avila. Baredo.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Botona.
Present po.
Okay. I'm sorry. Bragas. Okay, I'm sorry. Bunyol.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay, De Castro.
Present po.
Okay, Duliavin. Estrada. Fuentes. Gahuman. Gaurana.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Herodias. Kiliena.
Present po.
Okay. Hernandez. Okay, Hernandez. Huwet. Florico. Mabalatan. Malate.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Malto.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Mga ba? Manrique.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Mapanaw. Marmeto. Mendoza. Mel Flores.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Napili. Navarro. Nerbiol.
Present po.
Okay. Obina.
Present po.
Okay. Ocale. Oliveros. Parcon.
Parcon present po.
Okay. Pontepedra.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Kilao.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Quezana.
Present po.
Okay. Raet.
Present po.
Okay. Ramirez. Rebadulia.
Present po.
Okay. Requillas.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Tripaldi. Sakdalan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Salgado. Santiago.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Cercilia.
Present po.
Okay. Sarmiento.
Present po.
Silvestre. Okay. Santa Ana. Torres.
Present po, ma'am.
Okay. Pillardo. Okay, Huwet. Okay na. Hindi ba ako natawag? Avila. Okay. Meron pa? Alright. So, if you have no question, please turn on your camera. Picture tayo for attendance. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, and 2. Okay, thank you everyone. Resume nyo na ang inyong pagtulog. Class dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.